Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a loaded French toast hot dog. For this recipe I added Jamaican vanilla Lasco. If you live in Jamaica you know what flavored Lasco is, so I added that, and I'm going to add a little bit of heavy cream. We're going to give that a little mix. Now I'm going to be adding some nutmeg. If you have the fresh one, fine, but I like using the easier access, which is powdered version already. And we're going to go in with a little bit of cinnamon powder as well. Yeah. And also, I know I added vanilla Lasco, but I'm just going to add an extra boost of vanilla. I'm just going to whisk that together. Almost forgot to add my egg. So we're going to give that a little mix. Tell me, when you guys have leftover butter, what do you make with it? Let me know down in the comments. So over here we have 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're just going to let that melt. Remember to toast them on all 4 sides. Let them pot like this. And you're gonna mix it up with the egg. Okay. So this is how you want your eggs to be looking. Now it's time for assembly. So now you're going to take one of the hot dog buns, you're gonna put it right in the middle, just like we do a regular hot dog. And now you're going to lay your sausage in there. You're going to get some of that egg, and you're going to put it right in there like that and spread it out. And then you're going to get some of these. This is Spam, not, what's the other thing, bacon. This is Spam, and it's going to be looking like this. And then you're going to drizzle a little bit of syrup on it like this. So there you have it guys, my loaded French toast hot dogs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!